In a world where tools go missing and chaos reigns, one organizer emerges to restore order. The French Cleat Screwdriver Holder. Precision, stability, organization. Because every tool deserves its place. Coming to your workshop now.
Ugh, where's my screwdriver? I can never find it in this mess. Do you know where I left it? It's not in the shop.
Ever feel like you're digging for hours just to find the tool you need? Or worse, projects stay unfinished because your tools are out of reach or buried under clutter? Well, say goodbye to the mess, because French Cleat Solutions is here to save the day. How does it work? It's where tech from the past meets tech from the future. For hundreds of years, woodworkers have trusted French cleats for strong modular storage. But now, enter the era of the 3D printer. Layer by layer, or brick by brick, if you will, these tool holders are crafted with precision and care. This organizer is designed to bring precision and order to your workspace. Holding up to 10 screwdrivers, it ensures your tools are neatly arranged and always within reach, saving you time and frustration. Its compatibility with 3/4-inch French cleat systems guarantees a secure and stable fit, making it a seamless addition to your tool wall. Made from premium 3D printed PLA material, it offers a perfect balance of durability and lightweight functionality. Whether you're tackling a DIY project or working on professional tasks, this organizer keeps your most used tools accessible and your workspace efficient. Ready to transform your workspace? Don't wait. Grab your 3D printed French Cleat tool holder today and discover even more innovative storage solutions at FrenchCleatSolutions.etsy.com, because every tool deserves a perfect home.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.